Engine sitting there. The fan cooled, and when I pulled the housing off, there was a mouse condo. Ridiculous. Eviction. Anyways, here are some of the shroud pieces that are getting cleaned up to go back on it. She's set 20 years or so without being run, so definitely going to take a little work. And over here, we got the seat standing up. That's actually not in terrible shape if you don't count the black mold. And there's a couple small rips at the back there, but nothing major. I had to extract a couple of bolts from the housing. That one right on the top there that holds the coils broke off. I welded a nut to it and backed it right out of there. Same with this housing here that goes on the side of it. It had two broke off bolts in it. I welded nuts to them and backed them right out. This is a project I've been working on. It's a 76 Arctic Cat Cheetah 5000. And I found a screw down in the stator and kept trying CDIs, and it hasn't been started in about 20 years, and we're going to go for a first start. I pulled it over enough time to pull gas up to the carb and it kicked, but it hasn't started yet, so we're going to try it. Soda bottle gas tank. Choke it.